Hi, my name is Erin and I do the Games Art and Animation course. Young Games Designer Award was basically what we had to do for a unit of the course, and we would do our game concept ideas and send it in. And I found out through Richard because he emailed me about it, saying he'd got the email from them saying I got into the finals. The process was basically just come up with a unique games idea and getting down all the information for it, making some concept art as well. For the contest, I entered a game called Velicor, which is basically a library maze made up of cat characters, where the player would go into different books inside this library maze and would interact with the characters to eventually escape it. I think the judges are looking for, I think it was just a unique game idea. They said they didn't mind about how it was like presented or anything, it was just this unique game idea. My tutors supported me just by, if I ever needed help with something or I got stuck with how to do something, I would just ask them and they'd be able to help. I think it's good to enter just, to get the experience of, sticking to a creative task, putting your effort into something that you thought of and just making the idea you thought of come alive, really.